Most people searching for a cheap country to start a business make one massive mistake. They only look at low rent or cheap food prices. But here's the truth no one tells you. A country can be cheap to live in, and still be terrible for business because of weak banking, difficult visas, or unstable regulations. In this video, I'll rank the cheapest countries to start a business and live in during 2026 based on startup costs, daily living expenses, internet quality, taxes, and overall business friendliness. And trust me, some of the best options are not the countries most influencers talk about online. Let's start right away. At number 10 is Vietnam. Vietnam has become extremely attractive for freelancers, e-commerce sellers, and remote entrepreneurs, because living costs are still relatively low compared to many global cities. For example, Alex rents an apartment in Ho Chi Minh City for far less than he would pay in London or New York, while running an online design business. But here's the problem. Business registration and long-term visa structures can still feel complicated for foreigners. Next is Indonesia, especially Bali. Bali continues attracting digital nomads because of affordable living, strong remote work culture, and growing entrepreneur communities. This is where most people get excited. Cheap villas, co-working spaces, and networking opportunities make Bali very appealing. But here's where it gets interesting. Many people confuse living cheaply with running a legal business easily. Visa rules and business structures in Indonesia require careful planning. At number 8 is the Philippines. The Philippines offers relatively low costs, widespread English usage, and growing online business opportunities. For remote workers and online entrepreneurs, communication is usually much easier compared to some other low-cost countries. Now let's move to Thailand. Thailand remains one of the strongest combinations of affordable lifestyle, infrastructure, food, internet, and entrepreneur culture. Users like Jake often choose Bangkok or Chiang Mai because they can maintain a comfortable lifestyle without massive monthly expenses. But this is where most people fail. They underestimate visa planning and long-term legal setup. In a minute, I'll show you the country many entrepreneurs overlook even though it's one of the cheapest business-friendly options in the world. Next is Georgia. Not the US state. The country. Georgia has exploded in popularity because company registration is relatively simple, taxes can be favorable depending on the structure, and living costs remain low compared to Western Europe. For example, John launched a small e-commerce company there mainly because of the low operational costs and simple setup process. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. At number 3 is Malaysia. Malaysia offers a surprisingly strong balance between affordability and modern infrastructure. Cities like Kuala Lumpur provide strong internet, good transportation, and relatively affordable housing. At number 2 is Paraguay. Paraguay has quietly become attractive for entrepreneurs because of low living expenses, lower tax pressure in certain situations, and affordable residency pathways. But here's the problem. Some international business services and banking systems may feel less developed than places like Singapore or Dubai. And the number 1 cheapest country to start a business and live in for many entrepreneurs in 2026 is Thailand. Thailand consistently combines affordability, strong infrastructure, excellent food, good internet, and huge digital entrepreneur communities, better than most countries on this list. But remember this. The cheapest country is not automatically the best country for your business model. Always think about banking, payment processors, visas, internet quality, taxes, and long-term stability before making a move. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which country you would move to in 2026. And if you want more business, finance, and digital nomad guides, check out the next video on your screen.